Let us start the fifth question. In the adjacent figure, triangle ABC is right angled at C. Okay, this is the triangle ABC, right angle at C. And DE perpendicular to AB. This is the DE distance. DE perpendicular to this line AB. Here also 90 degree. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. Okay, big triangle similar to small triangle. And hence find the length of AE and length of DE. We have to find the length of AE, this distance, and this distance, and DE distance, this one. Okay, these two you need to find out. For that we can use this diagram. Okay, in this angle C is 90 degree and angle E is 90 degree. Also in the both triangle, angle A is the common angle. Okay, since angle A is common, we can say using the AA criteria the triangles are similar. Okay, it is easy. Then we have to find the length of AE and DE. We can start the solution. From the diagram, before that what we have to do, first we are going to prove this. So write that line first. To prove triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. Okay, now from the diagram, angle C is equal to angle E, that is equal to 90 degree. Okay, these two given in the question and under the diagram, so no need to write it. Next one, angle A is common. Therefore, by AA criteria of similarity, triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. Okay. ADE. Next we need to prove, we need to find the length of AE and DE. To find the length of AE and DE. Okay, for that first of all we need to find out the AB length. Okay, first find AB. Given triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle, right angle at C. C is at the right. C is right angle means the opposite side AB is the vertex. So by the Pythagoras theorem, AB square hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. It is AC square plus BC square. Okay, what is the AC value? It is 5. So it is 5 square. How we get 5? AD plus CD, it is 3 plus 2. Okay, now BC value is 12. Given it is directly, so 12 square value. 5 square value is 25. 12 square value is 144. So when you add this value, you will get 169. It is the 13 square value. So you get AB square is equal to 13 square. So what is the value of AB? It is 13. Okay, no unit given in the question. So in the diagram, the unit is not mentioned. Here also no need to write any. unit. Okay, so you get AB equal to 13. This value we can use to find out this AE and DE. Okay, then we can use what we prove already, the triangles are similar. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE, the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, corresponding sides are proportional. So we can write the ratios of the corresponding side. First of all, you take the hypotenuse of both the triangle. It is AB divided by, since E angle is 90 degree, AD is the hypotenuse. Okay, so AB divided by AD. Understood? Next ratio we can write without the common vertex. Common vertex is A. So without this A, the remaining two vertex you can consider for the side. So in the big triangle it is BC divided by BC divided by ED. Okay, then with the common vertex, the third side AC divided by AD. Not AD, it is AE. Okay, AD is the hypotenuse we consider already. So we got the ratio like this. What are the values we know we can apply? AB value is 13, AD value is 3. Okay, BC value is 12 and DE value or ED value we don't know. It is, you can write the same way, ED. This is the vertex DE. Okay, since the numerator second vertex C is having 90 degree angle, like the same here also the denominator E having 90 degree. Okay, so you don't write that it is ED, it is DE vertex. Okay, then AC value is 5. Also we don't know the AE value. Okay, so with the first ratio only we know the numerator and denominator. We cannot reduce this ratio. Now we can we need to find out this DE value and AE value. So we can use this value with each ratio. Okay, like this and like this way. Are you clear? So we can write, consider the first and second and first and third ratios. Therefore 13 by 3 equal to first and second. So it is 12 by DE, and then first and third, that is 13 by 3 equal to 5 by AE. Okay, now we can cross multiply and find out the unknown value DE and AE. Which implies DE equal to 12 into 3 divided by 13 and AE equal to 5 into 3 divided by 13. Okay, so what are the values? We can multiply and write it. 12 3s are 36. So DE value is 36 by 13 and AE value 5 3s are 15. So 15 by 36. Okay, so we can write DE equal to 36 divided by 13 and AE equal to 15 by 13. Okay, so we got the answers. This all. We can write in the given order. In the question they asked AE and DE. AE equal, no, first one we have to prove. Second one is this. Okay, AE equal to 15 by 13 and DE equal to 36 by 13. Also triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. Okay, that is the final answer for this question, fifth one. Let us continue the sixth question. One diagram is given. In the adjacent figure, triangle ACB is similar to triangle APQ. ACB. So this triangle is similar to APQ, this small triangle. If BC, this value equal to 8 centimeter and PQ equal to 4 centimeter, BA equal to 6.5 centimeter, AP equal to 2.8 centimeter, find CA and AQ. Okay. So in both triangle, they given 4 sides. The remaining 2 sides we need to find out. Okay, it is only the question, but here in the question itself they given the 2 triangles are similar, so we can take the corresponding sides are proportional. Using the ratios we can find out this too. Okay, so we can start the solution. Given BC equal to 8 centimeter, PQ equal to 4 centimeter, BA equal to 6.5 centimeter, AP equal to 2.8 centimeter. Also given first condition, we are writing second since we are going to continue the sum using the first condition. Okay, triangle ACB similar to triangle APQ implies the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, so we can write the ratios, corresponding sides. Here this A is the common vertex. Okay, according to that we can write AB divided by AQ. Okay, with the common vertex AB divided by AQ equal to, then without the A vertex you can write the remaining 2 vertex. So BC divided by PQ equal to, then with the third vertex C and A. So CA divided by PA. Okay, what are the values are given? We can write it now. AB value 6.5 divided by AQ value we don't know. We need to find out, which is equal to BC value, it is 8 divided by PQ value, it is 4, equal to CA value we need to find, and PA value it is 4. Sorry, PA value it is 2.8. Okay, 2.8. Now we can do this middle ratio given both numerator and denominator, that we can reduce it. So first we can reduce and choose the ratios. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. Okay, so the ratios are like this: 6.5 divided by AQ equal to 2, which is equal to CA divided by 2.8. Now we can cross multiply. So take the first and second ratio and second and third ratio, then cross multiply. Consider first and second ratio, it is 6.5 divided by AQ equal to 2, and second and third ratio, that is CA divided by 2.8 is equal to 2. Okay, now we can find out the value. So AQ you take to the numerator and 2 you take to the denominator. So here only this 2.8 take to the numerator. Okay, so which implies AQ is equal to 6.5 divided by 2 and CA equal to 2 into 2.8. What are the values? When you divide 6.5 by 2, half of 6.5, otherwise you can divide it 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, so put the 0, 5 2s are 10. Okay, you will get AQ, that is equal to 3.25 centimeter and CA is equal to 2 into 2.8, it is 5.6. 2 28s are 56. So we can write as 5.6 centimeter. So final answer is, how it is asked, CA value first. So CA equal to 5.6 centimeter and AQ equal to 3.25 centimeter. Okay, are you all clear?